Okay, so we want to look at how to solve these questions on the board. The first one has to do with power line. So here we have this place to be x, this 6k plus 15 degrees, 4k plus 15 degrees. So co-interior angles as for these two because it is power line. So we have 6k plus 15 degrees plus 4k plus 15 degrees equal to 180. So that's co-interior angles sum up to what? 180 degrees. Right. So this, we add the like term 6k plus 4k, that is 10k, then 15 plus 15, 30 degrees equals 180. Then with this, we have 10k equals 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. Right. So with this, you have 10k equals 150. Divide 2 by 10. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. K is what? 15 degrees. Right. So if K is 15 degrees, obviously we can solve for X using angles in a straight line. So X plus 6K. So 6 instead of K we have 15. Then plus 15 degrees equal to 180. Adjacent angles in a straight line. This, then this one. Right, so we have X plus 15 by 6. So this is 90. So 90 degrees plus 15 degrees, 180. So you add this X plus, this will give us 105 degrees equals 180 degrees. Then this X 180 minus 105 what degrees. So X equals 75 degrees here. Right. Hope this one is simple. Right. So now let's look at the next question here. We have some equation of indices. Equation of indices. Right. So with this one also we have 9 exponents 5x plus 1 on 3 exponent 2. We have 1 minus 5x equals 3 exponent 4. Alright. So that is the question we have here. So this, we change the 9 to the exponent of 3. So we have 3 exponent 2 for the 9. We are already having 5x plus 1 there. Divide by 3 exponent 2. 1 minus 5x. That's 3 exponent 4. Right. So in this, we have the laws of indices to apply. So this how you can, because this division, now becomes subtraction. So the same this subtraction. You have 2 bracket open 5x plus 1 minus coming from this division. Then you have 2. 1 minus 5x equals what? 4. Right. So from here you have this to be 10x. This is 2. This is minus 2. This plus 10x equals 4. Right. So we group like this. 10x plus 10x 4. So this will be minus 2 here, then plus 2. So this is 20x equals, you have, this is 4. That is 4. Right. As for this 20x, this will even give you 0. So you have the 4, but then divide through by 20. This cancel this 4 here, 1 here, 5. That is equal to 1 over 5. This is also easy from here. Good. Then the last question. You have 4 root 50 plus 3 root 45 minus 2 root 2 then plus 2 root 5, right? So obviously you have to change the 50 and the 45. So that is 4. You have root 25 root 2. That is the 50. 25 by 2 is 50. So like this is 3 root 15. Let's use 95 45. 9 is a perfect square number. So minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 5. Right, so this root 25 will give you 5. 5 by 4. That's 20. So 20 root 2. This root 9 is 3. 3, 3, 9 root 5 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 5. Right. So with this, you prove like them. So 20 root 2 minus 2 root 2, the same set. Then plus 9 root 5 plus 2 root 5. So this will give you 18 root 2, and this is 11 root 5. Different roots numbers, you can simplify.